The following segment is sponsored by Cricut. Of course, with holiday gifts, it's the thought that counts, and there's nothing more meaningful than a personalized, one-of-a-kind gift made just for you. Today, we're joined by parenting contributor Colin DeRogie with a way anyone can easily create custom gifts all year long.
Hi, thanks for having me. Yeah, you're absolutely right. There is just nothing like a personalized gift. And imagine this holiday season having some personalized matching aprons when the grandkids come over for that tradition of holiday baking, or giving your best friend some personalized wine glasses and a matching wine bag for that nice bottle you're gifting. Or how about some custom gift tags that double as ornaments for your favorite teacher this year? Well, you can make all of this and a whole lot more with some great solutions from Cricut. Now, Cricut is all about helping people lead creative lives by providing the tools they need to make their do-it-yourself projects beautiful, fun, and most importantly, easy. It doesn't matter if you're a first-time crafter or a DIY expert, Cricut has everything you need to create beautiful projects this holiday season and, of course, year-round. Now, I am really excited about Cricut's newest machine. This little guy is called the Cricut Joy Extra, but don't be fooled by its little size. It was designed to fit into any space, no crafting room required, but it can cut over 50 different materials. It can also write, draw, and apply foil. The Cricut Joy Extra helps makers get started with some of Cricut's most popular projects, like full color stickers, custom cards, t-shirts, tote bags, hats, water bottles, and a ton more. Best of all, it couldn't be easier because like all Cricut machines, the Cricut Joy Extra is powered by Cricut Design Space. This is a design platform where millions of users discover, create, customize, and share projects. That means if you don't know where to begin, you can go into the Design Space, find a project you love, send it right to your machine, and get started. It really is so much fun. It is so easy. And truly, the sky's the limit when it comes to the things that you can create with the Cricut Joy Extra. You won't just be creating beautiful custom gifts this holiday season, you will be crafting and creating year-round. Trust me. The Cricut Joy Extra would also make an amazing holiday gift, whether it's for that expert crafter on your list or maybe just someone that you know would want to get started and see what they can create. You can learn more about the Cricut Joy Extra and all of their machines and accessories at Cricut.com.